Today, the 26th February 2022, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the artificial Chandmary playground. The program started with a prayer by Tanuja A. Sangma, assistant teacher of Government Boys High Secondary School, Tura. A welcome song was given by Government Boys High Secondary School, Tura. Speaking at the program, the Chief Minister informed that the state government has sanctioned rupees 8 crores 50 lakh for the beautification of the Chandmary playground. The program was hosted by Augustine C.H. Marak. The welcome address was given by the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Ram Singh, and the vote of thanks at the end of the program was delivered by the Principal of Government Boys High Secondary School, Tura.
Stadium rangko aro ya astroturf facility rangko tsinga nam songinga wani man da alni tournament ko kick off ka anio je dol rangan alo participate ka etsin ya dol rangko boldak dengni aro do basi parani team rangko anga angni side dunia nga nam gepas kaniko naska best wishes aro good luck aro je team rangan ya tournament to participate ka engatsin luck team ni member rangko banga angni congrats ya best wishes ko na kusyunga aro tournament ko organizing committee ni member ko pagsatai anga ya chol ko aya matelaska ni man sangsatai na simang sakanchikon ya nambig pa project ko nambig pa program ko atanina ang gisaka tong gamagchi na simang sakanchikon matele ang ya ganani ko anga inon tong na kusyunga plakon matela